Hey friends! Welcome back to the coolest trivia show around. Today we're going on a Winter Wonder trivia adventure. You can get all the answers right. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's find out. It's cold in here. I don't think there's tornadoes in the atmosphere, but do you know what is the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth? If you guessed negative 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 89.2 degrees Celsius to the rest of the world that isn't America, then you're right. This super duper freezing temperature was recorded at Vostok Station in Antarctica. That's colder than your freezer, refrigerator, or even your ice cream. Even the freezer burnt ice cream. Next up, what do we call the longest night of the year? That is the winter solstice. On this day, we get the least amount of sunlight, which means more cozy time for the cozy pajamas, hot cocoa, and maybe even some stargazing. Speaking of the winter solstice, which famous structure in England lines up perfectly with the sunrise on that special day? It is the Stonehenge. That giant circle of huge stones is super cold, older than the pyramids. And on the winter solstice, the sun rises in the perfect spot to shine through the stones like a magical winter spotlight. Okay, this one is for the Santa fans out there. In which country can you find Lapland, the place where Santa Claus is said to live? Lapland is in Finland, and Lapland is full of snowy forests, reindeer, and if you're lucky, shimmering northern lights. Sounds like the perfect place for Santa's workshop. Last question. Snowflakes are beautiful, tiny ice crystals, but because of their molecular structure, how many sides do snowflakes have? Well, snowflakes have 6 sides. That's right, every snowflake has 6 points or 6 arms, and no 2 snowflakes look exactly alike. Nature is pretty awesome, huh? Great job, Winter Explorers! How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. If you had fun today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new adventure. Until next time, stay warm, stay curious, and keep exploring. Bye!